TrulyFun toys!
Welcome back to TrulyFun Toys. Today we're going to be learning our numbers and counting with these 6 Peppa Pig bowling pins and this yellow bowling ball. Let's get started! Can you tell me how many of each color you see on these bowling pins? That's right, there are 2 of each colors. We have 2 red pins. We have 2 orange pins. And 2 blue pins. So if we have 2 of each color, and we have 3 colors, that means we have 6 pins together. 2 times 3 equals 6.
Yay!
Do you see some of your favorite characters from Peppa Pig?
Peppa.
So do I. I see Freddy Fox, Peppa, Candy Cat,
George Pig.
Zoe Zebra, and Susie Sheep.
This is sheep. Hooray!
Let's set up these pins now and see how many we can knock over.
Okay.
We'll put Freddy, Zoe, and Peppa at the back,
Peppa Pig.
Susie Sheep, and Candy in the second row, and George at the front. George is my favorite character. Who's your favorite character?
George Pig.
That's great. I love that one too.
Okay.
Okay, so next we're going to grab our yellow ball and we're going to try and hit as many pins as we can. Then we're going to subtract whatever number we hit from the number 6 because that's how many pins we have. Alright, let's get started. Here we go. First roll. Great! We hit 2 pins over. So if we knock 2 pins over, that means we have 6 pins minus 2 equals 4. That's right! We have 4 pins left. Let's see how many pins we can hit next time. Now we have 4 pins left. I hope we can hit them all down this time. Oh, look at that! We hit 2 pins down again. We had 4 pins standing and we hit 2. 4 minus 2 equals 2. That's right. You're doing great. Now let's see if we can get both of these pins with our last shot. Ready? We only hit 1 down. So now we have 2 minus 1. Do you know what that equals? 1. That's right. We left 1 pin standing at the end of our game. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so we know that you love bowling with Peppa and her friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Goodbye.